Thank you for purchasing your Snap-on Polartec Dual AC recycling machine. This video will guide you through the proper initial setup of your machine. After turning on the machine, select the type of refrigerant you'll be using. For this demonstration, we'll be using R134A gas. Next, press Setup, then Quick Setup. The machine will then enter Quick Setup mode. First, select Language. The unit defaults at English. Make the appropriate selection. Next, we'll set Measure Units. Hit Enter, then select English or Metric. The unit defaults to English. Some selections are made here to show what the process looks like. When finished, hit Enter. Now you can choose to enable the machine to prompt for vehicle license plate or VIN number information. This will enable access to customer records for future service. The unit defaults to Off. Press On if you intend to use this feature. Next, input the correct date and time. When finished, press Enter. Now we'll input printout header information. This is typically your shop's name, address, and phone number. Input using the alphanumeric keypad. When finished, press Enter. Then, the unit will prompt you to unlock the tanks. Your machine arrives locked from the factory. Thread the handle provided into the lock release lever. Then unlock your machine before its first use. Remove the handle after completing this procedure. When you're ready to proceed, press Yes, confirming the tanks have been unlocked. Next, the default vehicle vacuum settings will appear. Change the default values if preferred. Press Enter. The machine will then perform a leak check integrity test. This can take several minutes. Upon completion of the leak check test, you'll be prompted to start the tank filling process. When the process is finished, Quick Setup is now complete. Congratulations! Your Polartec Dual AC recycler is set up and ready for use. Throughout the processes, the light on top of the machine will periodically change color. Red indicates the machine is waiting for operator attention. Yellow indicates the machine is performing a function. Green indicates that the operation has successfully completed. To check the calibration of your machine, perform a tank cell check. From the main screen, select Maintenance, Next Page, and then Tank Cell Check. At this point, the machine will prompt you to attach the calibration ball provided with the machine. Then press Enter. The machine will verify calibration and prompt you to remove the calibration ball. Press Enter to complete the process and return to the main screen. From the main screen, select Maintenance, then select Change Dryer Filter. Verify that the hoses are disconnected from the AC system. The machine will start the verification and recovery process. The machine will then prompt you for the filter code found on the new filter. To change the filter, a special wrench is provided for removal and reattachment of the dryer filter. Remove as shown. Hit Enter. Then the machine will ask you to verify that the filter O-rings are seated correctly. Press Enter. Thread the new filter onto the machine and tighten with the wrench, as shown. When complete, press Enter. The system will check for leaks. Hit Enter to return to the main screen. You will periodically need to change the analyzer filter. The machine will alert you when this is necessary. Remove the plexiglass cover and replace the filter as needed. Follow the prompts on screen. You will also need to add vacuum pump oil when necessary. The machine will prompt you when this is needed. From the main screen, select Maintenance, Next Screen, and then Vacuum Pump Oil Change. The machine will ask you if you want to change the vacuum pump oil. Select Yes, and then follow the prompts on screen. Check the R134A side of the machine to see the vacuum pump oil level and the drain port below. Now the machine will prompt you to add new vacuum pump oil. Fill to the center of the control glass. Press Enter to return to the main screen. To make a tank change, remove the cover from the back of the machine. Attach the appropriate hose that matches the type of refrigerant you're adding. Turn the tank upside down. Strap the tank in place. Finally, replace the cover. Attach hoses to the front of the machine as shown. There is a USB port on the 1234YF side of the machine. Use this connection point to perform database updates. Finally, add printer paper as needed. Insert the roll so that the paper feeds from the bottom of the roll. If you experience refrigerant contamination, you'll need to implement a recovery-only contaminant removal machine and an R12 hose. Remove the oil drain bottle to reveal the access port on the 1234YF side. Then connect the hose to the Polartec Dual machine. Next, connect the hose to the recovery unit. At this point, follow the recovery unit instructions for contamination removal. Then use the recovery-only machine to remove the contaminated refrigerant from the vehicle. When recovery is complete and the pressure is dropped, you can proceed with your previous process.